Hi boys and girls, welcome to our overview for word work for Unit 1, Week 5. This week we're going to be talking about the prefixes miss, n, and m. If you remember, prefixes are groups of letters that you can add to the beginning of a base word or a root word to change its meaning. So this prefix miss means either not or the opposite of. So for example, with the word misquoted, misquoted would mean either not quoted correctly or the opposite of quoted. So you might say, like if I said, I love ice cream, and then Greg says, Megan said, I love popsicles, that would be misquoted. He didn't say it correctly. He did not quote me and what I said correctly. Going along with that miss, we have the word misfortune. Misfortune would be the opposite of having fortune. So fortune means when things go well. So if you're having misfortune, then that means that things are not going well for you, okay? The other word we have is mishandle. That would mean to not handle correctly. If you have a pet fish and you decide to take that fish out of the water and just hold it and pet it and love it like that, that would be mishandling the fish. You're not handling it correctly. You are not treating it correctly, okay? The other two prefixes, m and n, are actually related. And there really are not a whole lot of words in English that have the m prefix. Embrace is one of them. It means to provide with a brace. The meaning of this prefix m can mean in, as in like inside, can mean to provide with or to give, or it can mean cause to be. All right, so depending on kind of the overall meaning of the word. So with embrace, it means to provide with a brace. If I'm giving you an embrace, I'm giving you a hug. It's actually a synonym for hug. To brace means to hold on to, okay? This prefix n, like I said, is related to m, and there's a lot more words in English that have n in them. N, that prefix n can mean in, can mean to provide with, or can mean cause to be. So enable means to cause to be able. So if I enable you to read, I am causing you to be able to read. I'm enabling you with that skill. I'm giving you that ability, okay? Enclosed. Enclosed means to be in, sorry, my move it popped up. Enclosed means to be in a space, like closed in a space. So I'm going to write closed in a space, or closed in. In the one and only Ivan and Ruby and Stella are enclosed in their domain, in their cage. They're closed in a space, all right? And then endangered, that means to be in danger of something. Endangered animals are in danger of becoming extinct. If you are in a car accident, you are endangered. You are in danger of something bad happening to you, right? So what you're going to do today, using these examples that we have up here, you are going to use these words and give the definition based on the meaning of the prefix. So for example, misspell, I'm going to come up and see what miss means. Oh, it means not to spell. So misspell might mean not spelling correctly, or it might mean the opposite of spell, right? If you misspell the word, you're not spelling it correctly. So your job is to give me the definition of the words using these prefixes, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Do your very best work. Thank you, friends.